these small add-ons that we talk about, it has a very nice name called sachet insurance or
Yes,
toffee
actually.
insurance, and it's actually becoming a trend. And you have correctly mentioned that the sales service and the operational infrastructure has to go hand in hand to make this a success. While the insurer has to plan well ahead before providing this sachet insurance, that if they have the infrastructure or the background to handle this amount of scale or scale up their business through this channel. But how do you think it will evolve in the year to come? What would be the concept of sachet insurance, and how popular it's going to be, and how it's going to be beneficial for the insurer?
Actually, this will evolve based on the experience. So as more innovation happens, for example, in sandbox approach, insurers launch more products. Customers have more choices to product for more types of product. So once this market evolves, then they would be able to decide that how this over-the-counter products or sachet insurance will work. But overall, I think that the market is quite huge in terms of the population that we have and the options available. And since the premium of these policies are quite affordable, so people would be willing to buy these products. And once these sachet products are gets more popular, I think they will have a decent share in business, and you never know, this may even overtake the existing business that they have, because
Right.
in terms of volume it will be huge. And if you can give tailor-made according to the need product and instant product which can be bought easily without any cumbersome paperwork, so everything will help, and these things will evolve going forward. You can't have just a prescriptive formula that this will work or not. So as the insurers go along, they need to test, they need to launch a product that in a particular segment maybe, and few segments may work, few may not. So like this, they need to do a lot of research and development. And one thing our industry is missing, the number of research and development is not that high. They need to increase the number of research in terms of customer preferences, what they want, and in terms of product, in terms of servicing. So this will help the industry to grow further.